Hello, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today and do a little review for you. I purchased a, actually I didn't purchase, it was sent to me so that I could try it out and review it. And it is a tripod. Comes in a little black bag just like this. And couple pieces when you open it up. First, there is a charge cord, just a tiny charge cord, and then the top to screw on, and your tripod looks like this. You will see it has a removable remote control right here, which is Bluetooth enabled. You just have to, and that's actually what the charger is for. Plug it in here, and it has USB on the other end, and then you charge it. Once it's all charged, you turn it on, and you'll see the blue light that flashes so that it can link to your phone. And then when you're recording, you just have to push that button to start your recording and end your recording. Now, I do love this tripod. I have just a little one that I use as a tabletop one. This one I love because it's 3.5 feet tall, and it folds up to this little size. So you just screw on the top, and then your phone will go in here. Some people like theirs to be like this. They like to take a vertical video, or if you're like me, you do horizontal, so I keep mine up like this. If you want it to be a tabletop, you just extend the 3 legs on the bottom, and it sits right on your tabletop. And then, and it's adjustable, so you can turn it around. You know, you saw me bend it all the way over so that it is great for any phone, and it's very, it's just a wonderful little gadget. And then when you extend it, it goes 3.5 feet. I love it. So I can set it in front of my actually desktop and be filming over top of it. So yeah, I love this little gadget. At first I thought, oh, I'm gonna give that away in a giveaway, until I found out how much I liked it. So and then, you know, you get that handy remote, so you don't have to reach across. I just charge it up every now and then. I don't take it all apart to store it in the bag. I just put it down inside the bag with just the little top hanging out of it. And then I just hook it on the hook so that I can store it. So it is a wonderful tripod, and I will put the link for it below. It is Yun 10. So it is like, and I'm trying to remember how much I purchased it for. I will put it in the description, how much it actually was. I mean, it was sent to me, so I didn't have to purchase it, but I will put the link below in the description because I did get it off of Amazon. So if you're looking for a small, compact tripod, this is perfect. And then if you need to use a tall tripod, which is, it goes up to probably close to 4.5 feet. So, so yeah, it's very, very, it's all of your tripod needs in one. So have a wonderful weekend. I will link in the description the link for this so that you can purchase it if you would like. Very sturdy, very well made. I'm very pleased with it. I love it. So have a wonderful weekend.